Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something completely different and seriously exciting, the 2026 Ford Motorhome. This isn't just a vehicle. It's a full-blown adventure on wheels, built for explorers who crave comfort, space, and modern technology all rolled into one. Ford has taken a huge leap forward in redefining what a luxury motorhome can be, and trust me, this one is packed with surprises from front to back. Starting from the exterior, the 2026 Ford Motorhome instantly stands out with its bold and commanding presence. The front design carries Ford's signature styling cues, a large chrome grille with active shutters for better aerodynamics, sleek LED matrix headlights that adapt automatically to your driving conditions, and a sculpted bumper that integrates fog lights and air vents for improved cooling and efficiency. The overall stance is muscular but elegant, giving it that perfect blend of ruggedness and sophistication. You can clearly see Ford's design evolution here. It's not just a boxy RV anymore. It's an aerodynamic masterpiece with smoother lines and curves that reduce drag while enhancing fuel efficiency. Moving to the side, the design continues to impress with flush-fit windows, power-operated entry steps, and dual-tone paint options that make this motorhome look premium from every angle. The extended wheelbase offers a stable drive, and the large alloy wheels give it a road-commanding attitude. You'll also notice the cleverly hidden utility compartments, outdoor shower setup, and optional side awnings for camping setups. There's also an external entertainment system, complete with speakers and a fold-out screen, perfect for those nights when you want to enjoy a movie under the stars. Now stepping inside, the interior is where this motorhome truly becomes a luxury home on wheels. As soon as you enter, you're greeted with soft touch materials, ambient LED lighting, and a sense of spaciousness that feels more like a studio apartment than a vehicle. The front cockpit is designed for both comfort and control, a digital panoramic dashboard, a massive infotainment touchscreen with Ford's latest SYNC 6 system, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, voice command features, and even a digital rearview mirror for better visibility. The captain's chairs are ventilated, heated, and swivel around to face the living area once you've parked in the living space. You get a convertible sofa, a dining setup with a retractable table, and smart storage solutions all around. The kitchen is equipped with a full-sized refrigerator, induction stove, convection microwave, and even a dishwasher, all powered through the onboard inverter system. Ford has designed the interiors with sustainable materials, offering options like bamboo wood finishes and recycled leather upholstery, making it eco-friendly yet luxurious. Moving further back, there's a spacious sleeping area with a queen-sized bed, underbed storage, and privacy blinds. The bathroom setup is surprisingly roomy, featuring a glass-enclosed shower, a ceramic toilet, and a backlit mirror. The overall lighting and ventilation are designed to give a fresh, open feeling even when you're miles away from civilization. Under the hood, the 2026 Ford Motorhome runs on a hybrid V6 EcoBoost powertrain that combines efficiency and power seamlessly. It delivers around 420 horsepower with instant torque, allowing you to cruise smoothly on highways or climb hilly terrains without a struggle. The 10-speed automatic transmission shifts effortlessly, and the all-wheel drive system ensures stability on all kinds of surfaces. Ford also offers a fully electric version called the e-Motorhome variant, capable of over 300 miles on a single charge, supported by fast-charging infrastructure and solar-assisted recharging on the roof. The suspension system has been upgraded for maximum comfort, minimizing bumps even on rough roads. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 Ford Motorhome starts around $145,000 for the base hybrid variant and goes up to about $210,000 for the fully loaded luxury edition with the extended layout and solar package. While it's certainly an investment, the features build quality. and technology justify every bit of that price tag, especially when compared to competitors in the luxury motorhome segment. If I had to make a suggestion, I'd say Ford could consider offering more customization options in interior themes and perhaps a slightly larger battery in the electric variant for those who prefer longer off-grid adventures. But overall, this vehicle hits almost every mark: style, comfort, technology, and power, all in one incredibly capable package. So to wrap this up, the 2026 Ford Motorhome isn't just transportation, it's transformation. It turns every journey into an experience, every drive into a destination. Whether you're planning a cross-country trip, a family adventure, or just looking for the ultimate freedom of travel, this motorhome is a dream come true. Ford has truly built something that redefines the spirit of exploration for the modern age. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe for more in-depth car and vehicle reviews, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you take this motorhome for your next road trip? Until next time, keep exploring and stay tuned for more automotive adventures.